Hi there. Today I will guide you through how we can create Ghibli-style images using ChatGPT, and also we will know about can we turn our picture into Ghibli style, or we can just create a new Ghibli-style image with the help of ChatGPT. So the first thing is head over to the ChatGPT and log in to your account, and then here what you have to do. Briefly explain what kind of image you want to create and let this GPT do it for you. So just for example, I will create a picture, a schoolboy who is heading towards school. So here I will simply explain about my image. So let me write. So for creating Ghibli style image, I asked ChatGPT the image should be in Ghibli style, and after it I will hit on this arrow. And now ChatGPT start processing on my prompt, and just wait until the processing will be completed. After waiting for a while, you can see the result is in Ghibli style, and it looks really good. Now, in order to transform your image into Ghibli style, simply click on plus and upload your picture from your computer and ask ChatGPT to transform this image into Ghibli style and let GPT do it for you, and that's it.